Hello, my dear teacher. My weekly routine. Usual from Monday to Friday, I get up at 7 a.m., brush my teeth, take a shower, have breakfast with my family, and go to work. I always arrive at 12 p.m. to have lunch with my son and my husband. I rest for a moment and again I go out at 2 p.m. to work until 6 p.m. At night, I check my university platform to carry out the activities and I receive tutorials on the different subjects. I hardly ever have time to watch TV. At 8 p.m., I have a snack, brush my teeth, say my prayer, and go to bed. I usually take classes on Saturdays from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. In the afternoon, I read and go for a walk with my son in the park. At night, I have a snack, brush my teeth, pray, and go to bed. On Sundays, I always get up at 8 a.m., take a shower, have breakfast, brush my teeth, get ready, and go to Eucharist with my family. At 12 p.m. we have lunch, and in the afternoon we go for a walk. At night I have a snack, brush my teeth, pray, and go to bed. Thank you.